back to my YouTube channel. We're tired of click, 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 so we're going to be doing some upper ball joints on my 1993 Mazda Miata. These are ball joints I got off of Amazon. I believe they're around $36, but you can see the link down below for details. Always make sure to use a jack stand, just extra safety precaution. Got some good gouges. Had some too much fun on the track. Always a good idea when you get in here, check your rotors, check your brake pads, check your brake lines. Make sure you're not having chafing issues or something loose. Go! So now we're going to remove the collar pin from the upper ball joint. And we got the sweater, it's not hot. Oh, 2 seconds, I'm fat. Oh, just use that. Little swivel. What we have here is a ball joint separator kit. I'll put a link down below, but it basically makes your job way easier getting the ball joints off these. And they're actually pretty inexpensive. Great to have around the garage. I like to get everything loose with a hammer. It just helps. Wow! The tool that was made to do it worked. So this is why we're in here replacing this. Not supposed to move this easy.
Sloppy.
Yes, those are OEM after 317,000 miles. Magically, there's not very much play up or down. So this is another tool I grabbed off Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Check it out, it'll be in the description. It's supposed to make this job really easy. We'll see. Never used it before. No idea how to use it. Sure looks like a big C-clamp to me. So after using the ball joint remover tool, which again, first time I ever used that as well, that worked awesome. It actually worked exactly how it was supposed to. I didn't have to beat it with a hammer a million times, although that's way fun to do. So now, I'm gonna play with this because I have no idea how to use this just yet. I guess I should read the instructions. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna read it. So, apparently you can do it in the car. A little on the sketch side, but you can't do it. So, there's our OEM ball joint, upper ball joint from our 1993 Mazda Miata. It's, you see better days. Definitely, yeah. I will say, it's in pretty good condition. So now, just like anything else, I'm going to size them up next to each other, make sure that they're similar in length and in diameter. Obviously I don't want to install something that I don't believe to be right.
Pro tip, use duct tape to hold the pieces together so you don't have to.
Duct tape solves everything. ball joint comes with a one-way valve, so you can actually continue to grease it to keep the life and durability up. And once that's done, ready to go back into work. So that's ball joints on my 93 Miata. They were definitely looking pretty bad. We got them changed out, got the new ones put on, ready to go.